Hi, I'm Adrian, and this is Masako.
Hello.
And this is Chopper, and we are with Physical Graffiti Body Art Studio in Sedona, Arizona. And today we are making a video about our new motorcycle build. We are going to build a bike, and basically we're going to do this just for entertainment. It's not instructional, because I'm not a mechanic, and this is just for fun.
Yes.
And it's just for advertising the shop.
Mm-hmm.
And Masako here wants to share with her friends in Japan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're going to talk to some of your friends in Japan, so go ahead.
Okay. まずイントロデュースで Adrian, Chopper, and 私の名前がまさこです。今日は、このビデオは、タトゥーショップ、彼が経営しているタトゥーショップの、ビデオなんですけれども、一からモーターとバイクですね、バイクを一から作るという、工程をビデオにこれからどれぐらいかかるかわからないんですけど撮っていきたいと思います。It's good?
Yeah?
Yes.
So you basically said the same thing?
Not the same thing, but I just know that. Yes.
Yeah, introduce.
Yes.
Yeah, introduce us and everything. Yeah, so this is just an old used EVO motor, and it's an older motor, it's like a 95, and it was from a salvage. And I just felt like, you know, anybody could just buy a brand new motor or an aftermarket motor and just put it in a frame. But that, you know, kind of, it's just too easy.
Is it very old? Very old?
95.
95, okay.
Yeah. But it has low mileage. It doesn't look like it, but it has low mileage and it runs great. But we're gonna refurbish it so it at least looks nice in the bike. And we're gonna, you know, start from the ground up. And want to document it, make videos about it so everybody can share with us. So I hope you can stay tuned.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes.
And you're going to tell your friends the same. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So このモーターは新しいものじゃなくて、最近は全て新しいものでコンピューターが入っているモーターが多いんですけど、エイドリアンはそういうのが好きじゃないので、一からすごい古い、95年式のモーターを、買いました。でこれから私もちょっとよくわからないんですけど、これをきれいにして新しいスタイルのモーター新しく全てを塗り直したりちょっとフィックスするんですね。でそういうことで新しいバイクを作っていくと思います。私も楽しいです。I just don't say no. I just say I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You know, going to. So that's why I just explain. I don't know much about that, but I'm so excited.
Okay, that's true.
Okay.
I mean, it's okay. I don't know anything either, so I'm just playing it by ear.
Yeah.
And don't let Chopper fool you. This dog has more energy than you know. So
today he's just still in the morning. He is
he's still trying to wake up. Poor thing. He worked hard yesterday. So. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you stay tuned. I hope you can watch what we're doing here, and
watching every week, right? Yes.
Yeah, we're gonna try to post something every week about it, and just continue working on it. Yes. No telling how long it might take. So.
Yeah, and we are continue to videotape.
Yeah.
For the tattooing also.
Oh yeah.
Tattooing and so many other things.
And so many other things.
Yeah.
Hiking and yeah. Good. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. And stay
Enjoy.
tuned. Yeah.
How's doing?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yeah, so far so good.
So far so good? What
Yeah.
are you doing right now? Oops.
I'm removing the pistons.
Pistons. Okay.
Yes. And it's not easy trying to figure this stuff out.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's fun.
But so far
I
so
like
good?
it. So far so good.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Sounds nice.
Nothing major.
Huh.
Everything looks pretty good inside.
Is this tube?
That's just to protect
Hose? Protect.
the
Okay.
long
I see.
bolts there that are on there that hold down the heads there. Yeah.
Oh, can you believe 3%? Whew.
So,
Yep.
yeah, you know, some of this stuff, gosh, learning the lessons the hard way. And then some of the stuff I'm going to have to take to a shop because, you know, I got to get this stuff checked out properly because
Oh, I see.
since I got it open, you might as well get it checked out because I don't have the tools
Oh, okay.
and I don't have the knowledge to. But, you know, at least I know I can get it back together if I just get like, I got to get the bore checked out and the cylinders. And then just find out if they're going to be okay, if they need to be rebored or anything, and then find out
Okay.
if the pistons are good, if I need to change those.
You change those. Okay. Do you know where is it?
I'm trying to find somebody, and it's not easy.
Easy.
Not around here. There's plenty of people in Phoenix.
Okay. Yeah. Sedona, it's so hard to find
There's
it.
like nobody in Sedona.
Yeah. Maybe we drove down to the Phoenix one day.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping in.
Of course, just checking. Just checking.
So, we finally got the motor taken apart.
Yes, taking a little while.
It took a little
Yes,
while.
yeah.
It took a lot of work, not knowing what I'm doing. And I tell you, I think the main takeaway is get a service manual and just study that really good first. That's pretty much what I did. Just did a lot of research and studied all that stuff, and that really helped. And so now we're going to just start rebuilding and just go section by section. So first we're going to start with the crank case and get that all cleaned up before we start changing out the bearings and the races and all that. So we're going to do that. And Misaka's going to say the same thing to her friends, are pretty much in Japan. So,
Okay.
yeah.
そう、ここまで来るのにちょっと時間がかかったんですけど、先ほど見てもらって一番最初に見てもらった最初のなんていうんだろう、パーツ、すべてのパーツがすべてパーツごとにエンジン。Is this motor, right? Motor.
Motor,
Yes,
yeah.
motor. モーターが
All things motor.
すべて分解されてここにあります。これからやるのがそのパーツごとにきれいに磨いて、色をつけたりするんですけど、一つずつのパーツを全部ボックスに入れてこんな風に今なりました。
Yeah, so I got the whole bike apart and it's in boxes. So
You understand what
yeah,
it is.
yeah. So my entire bike is my entire motor is now officially a box case. So I have it well organized, the front and the back sections. And yeah, we're just going to start from the bottom up.
Yes, nice work.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
fun.
That's nice.
Really enjoyed working on it.
Yeah.
I can't wait to start getting into it.
Mhm.
We'll probably make small videos about each section that we work on.
Yeah, yes. But now you just started to work with paint first.
Yeah, cleaning
Cleaning
it all up and inspecting, getting it all inspected and make sure.
今からきれいにしてインスペクトしてこれからまたペイントします。
Okay, well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Looking forward to getting into this. So,
Yes.
thanks for
See you.
watching.
Bye bye.
Bye.